got to say about my blood work. So we're sitting waiting. I'll let you guys know what I want you to know. Put it that way. I got me a burger and a fry. Or a burger and chili. And a 0 sugar drink. Which I gotta quit drinking. Not so good news in there, I'll tell you that. Not so good news. Oh, Lordy. My life's really about to change. And it kind of stinks. I have to cut out all pop and sugar. So, you gotta guess.
Bloop, bloop. And that was us going back in time, showing when Pink Fairy 123 was first diagnosed with diabetes back in when was that, March 22nd, 2022. And we are here today to continue the Pink Fairy odyssey, the oddity we'll call it, of her adventures, her quote-unquote lifestyle change since that diagnosis. I know a lot of people don't like the Pink Fairy videos, but I think it's important to demonstrate her showing her life, quote-unquote, her showing her lifestyle change, but not actually doing any lifestyle changes. So this one is going to be sort of a cobbled together KJ masterpiece, because I haven't caught up with her in a while, but we're gonna do her most recent cooking, just a little bit, as well as her most recent grocery haul. And things have not changed in a year and 9 months. Before I do get started, don't forget, hit the like button, appreciate that. Leave a comment, pour some sugar on that comment section, and subscribe if you're new. As well as I do have memberships if you want to support my humble little channel that way. So we're going to go, this is October 11th when she gives us the update, her newest update from her doctor about her beaties and what her doctor said. And then we're going to follow it with the actions.
If you fall off wagon wheel, and accidentally mess up, eat something I ain't supposed to or something, just get right back on track. And for one thing that's really scared me, she told me if I don't, start trying better to get, my doctor said if I don't start trying better to get my insulin down, my sugar numbers down, she gonna put me on insulin. So therefore, I was like, no. I do not want to do them shots. I like some crispy taters. That's it.
So this is her cooking about 3 weeks later, as well as we have the anniversary dinner where she went all out on October 17th. So that was, 7 days after that insulin chat? But I just like this clip here, because it's like, she's like, I don't know the last time I had taters. I can tell ya.
Yes, I do. I love me some crispy taters. I've not had them forever. And I got some ranch dip on it.
October 17th.
I know, this ain't good.
No, it's not, is it?
I ain't even had potatoes in a while, I don't think. It's been a long time since I had me some taters. We have it. Doesn't that look good? Of course, I put sugar-free ketchup on it. Yes, you guys, I got sugar-free ketchup. Can you believe that? Sugar-free.
Okay, so she got sugar-free ketchup because her audience, including me, were screaming at her saying, at least get sugar-free ketchup. So she did. 1 gram of sugar compared to 4 grams of sugar with the regular stuff. All right, it's kind of akin to drinking a diet soda pop with your fast food meal. the thing is, this would be called what? A little step, right? You take many little steps and you actually get somewhere with your health journey or whatever you're doing. It doesn't help if you only take one little step. And this is all I've seen. Now, keep in mind, Pinkberry did, for about a week, was on track after her doctor said, listen, you're going to be on insulin, Missy, if you keep this ish up, for about a week. And then she had the Big Mac, she had her anniversary dinner, and then her hauls, which we're going to get to, look exactly the same. Exactly the same.
Ketchup. Oh, it smells so good. I really didn't mean to put the ketchup on my chicken in that stir fry. I thought I was doing it on potatoes, and it was the wrong one. But got some soap. This is stuff from Walmart. Didn't get much. Laundry soap. Got some gum. And a bag of Smart popcorn. Okay, and now this is Aldi's. We got lots more from Aldi's, of course. Okay, we got some cheese fries, which I've tried these before. So we're gonna get those.
You cannot tell me that Pinkberry, after 1 year, 9 months, diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, that she doesn't realize that refined carbs, potatoes, refined carbs, by the way, the popcorn, potatoes, all equal basically a spike in her blood sugar. You cannot tell me that. This lady knows better, and my problem is that she says that, yeah, I know better, I'm doing better, but is not.
Not bad price, and it's kind of like with the backs on them. Love them. Hot chocolate, they had that marked down, so we got it for everybody. Not just because it was marked down, I got it because, well, we was wanting hot chocolate. 2 bags of lettuce. Mozzarella, Kobe Jack. I got 2 things of Kobe Jack because everybody seems to like the Kobe Jack a lot better. I mean, I like sharp cheddar, but Kobe Jack's everybody's favorite, I think. 2 loaves of split top wheat bread. 2 of the International Delight coffee creamers, pumpkin spice, sugar free, and 1 of the caramel, because that's what they all like, and I don't like the caramel. I mean, I love caramel, but I want sugar free. What? I got Tim some of this. The salami with the hot cheese, and this is hot. I think he'll love that. Got him his French vanilla cow.
Okay, guys, I need to comment on that bread. I swear, every week she goes shopping, sometimes twice a week. There is minimum 2 loaves of bread. How does not one person, I guess it would be her, Tim, and maybe Megan comes over, go through that much bread?
Flavoring, he loves that. Got some gala apples, they were marked down too. Got chicken sausages, I got these last time and they was really good. Got some turkey bacon, always get that. Got some chicken sausages, yummy. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of Italian dressing, the powder. Bag of carrots, 2 things of chicken broth. I got 4 yogurts, but 1 got busted in the bag when we put it all in somehow. And these are all low carb. The strawberries, all they had. Usually they have strawberry vanilla, and all they had was that. So 2 packs of chicken. I already had 2 up there, so I didn't need too much meat. I still have to go to Kroger's and get our turkey meat because you cannot get it at.
I wanted to see how much that chicken was because, you know, inflation. I like to see how much things cost other places.
Aldi's. Got them a bag.
A bag of Fritos, sure.
100% orange juice. Got 1 can because we still have 2. 2 things of whipped cream cheese. Some Kobe Jack cheese sticks.
So much cheese.
A bag of green peppers. 2 boxes of shells and cheese. Yeah, they'll mark down to $1.39. Some napkins, $1.99. Some things I know prices, some things I don't. 2 other college cheeses, which is really good. 2 of the turkey kebab sauce.
Kielbasa.
And 2 packs of the hard salami.
Oh, Lord.
Cheese.
So, last year when she was on her low carb kick, she sat at the table and ate her hard salamis with cream cheese, which is low carb, but
and 2 of the turkey pepperonis, and I'm going to do some cream cheese in these too.
Oh,
I've seen that.
delicious.
They have bigger ones there, but not turkey, so I didn't get them. So I was like, I'll just do the little ones. So that's all we got, or that's everything we got. Like I said, I just ran to Walmart and picked up that real quick. That was it. And I think we spent about $129. A little bit more than over my budget, whatever, a few dollars over. But I did get the slippers. And normally the cream cheese and hard salami I don't get every week. But yeah, no. Anyways, that's just how it is sometimes. Happens that way.
Okay, bye. No, not me, bye. I do have to sum this up because I know you guys are saying the mac and cheese, the mac and cheese. So she had said time and time again, she loves her mac and cheese. She showed a video how Tim left her alone in the trailer, and she decided to indulge on a whole box of mac and cheese. My point is, this haul is pretty much identical to the haul she had when she was first diagnosed. Absolutely nothing has changed. I don't know if anything will ever change with this woman. Being threatened to be put on insulin obviously isn't going to do it. I don't know what will. Now, usually people, when they feel effects of stuff, they sort of rein it in. But she has said before that she has had, pain in her feet, diabetic neuropathy, as well. I think she pees a whole heck of a lot. All side effects of uncontrolled type 2 diabetes. What will change her? I don't know. Maybe nothing. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys when Pink Fairy uploads something maybe worth talking about. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Bye!